Welcome back to Adventure and Repeats. Glad to see you here. So if you're going to change the gear oil in your OMC Cobra Outdrive, it's very imperative that you follow this process properly, and I'm going to explain why. Overall, this is a very easy thing to do. You just need two real tools to it. A good OMC or any kind of boat plug drive, basically just a flat screwdriver that has a really wide end to it, works out great. So if you have any kind of great regular gear oil drain plug screwdriver, that works. A flathead screwdriver works, but that little bigger one makes life a lot easier. And then a fluid pump of some kind that has the threaded end that goes with Outdrives. They're all basically the same, but having one makes life a lot easier. Yamaha, I think, is the one that's different. But generic ones work for OMCs, and I'm going to explain what the special process is for these Outdrives. At the very bottom of the wing right here is your drain plug screw right there. You got to take that out. And you can see that's what it looks like. Has the washer on there, and that little metal sticking out, that is the magnet to catch any metal debris that's coming out. So you got to let that drain out. And once you pull that out, it will start leaking, but you got to let air back in. So then you go down to the top of the case where you find this screw right here that has the dipstick tube end. Once you pull that out, the oil will start draining a lot faster and expedite the process. So as with most boat Outdrives, you're going to put your fill screw right there. That's where you're going to use to pump oil in. But with this one, it's very specific. There is an extra fill plug right there. So it's halfway up. It's only on the right side of the engine, so your starboard side. That plug needs to come out because that plug does a very specific thing. Because if you're looking at this engine from the top side, because normally you have the drive right here, this is where your drive shaft is, this is where your normal moisture oil comes in, but you have this cavity right here behind this shift fork. So normally this plate is in there, this is part of the exhaust cavity and things like that, but when you start pumping in there, it's going to want to try to go up this, and it has to come up into this actual cavity. And the reason they say to pull that out is because you can see that is the plug sticking out right there. So if you do not pull that plug out, when you're pumping oil up in, it does not actually fill this cavity right here. So it does not actually fill it, which means there's an air pocket. You're not getting the proper volume of oil into this engine that you're supposed to have. So the process is you're supposed to start pumping in fluid until oil comes out of this hole. Then you put this plug back in and then put your dipstick tube cap back in from the top of the Outdrive to make sure nothing leaks out. Then you pull this out and put that plug back in, because now that is done. And then you start bringing it up to here, where you then start filling it from this hole. The idea being is that way, this cavity now that had that air pocket, you're pumping it in here, which then pushes that air pocket down the drive, and then back up the drive shaft drive until it starts coming out this hole right here. So that is, you're ideally not going to have it come out that hole, but it'll end up being at the very top. Once it gets to the very top, if you put this plug back in, when you pull it out of this and then put the cap in there, it's going to drain out just a tiny little bit, where ideally, when you go to pull that out and double check it, you are going to be at the level that you need to be. And that little mark right there, that is the full line on this dipstick plug. So that goes in there. You pop it in there, pull it out and check it. If it's anywhere between the bottom of that dipstick and that line, you are full on this Outdrive itself. And then screw it all back in and you are good to go. So that is why I wanted to show that on this drive when it's tore apart. So that's all there really is to it, to changing the oil on these OMC Cobra Outdrives. The specific process is fill it to the mid-hole, and then from the mid-hole, fill it to the top. That's really the process to it, to make sure you don't have any air pockets in that cavity and cause your Outdrive to burn up over time. So it takes about 2 quarts of fluid, so it's nothing really that spectacular. It takes usually more than any kind of Mercruiser has or any other outboards. It specifically still takes a standard 75W90 marine grade oil, which always a big fan of AMSOIL, just how I am. I always like to have the best. And it works out great. Other than that, really no specific tools involved. Hopefully you can like the video. Comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.